I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to Amelia in Umbria. This is known to be among the most ancient towns of this region. Modern historians believe it dates back to the 6th or 7th century before Christ, which makes it about 2,600 years old. Before talking about today's property, which is just 10 minutes walk away from the historical center of Amelia, let's go and get a coffee together. Come with me. Right below Amelia, we find this gorgeous villa. When you're here, you don't even realize you're so close to the center of the town because we are enclosed by this lush and flourishing nature. This exquisite garden has been adorned with some elegant Mediterranean plants and flowers that frame this villa, enhancing its intrinsic beauty. As we reach the upper floor of the garden, we get to this terracotta paved terrace with its barbecue over there, whereas here we find this enchanting pergola, ideal to enjoy al fresco meals right in front of the Umbrian countryside. Countryhouse is enclosed within about 2,000 square meters of land, and it has two separate entrances. The main entrance with the gate through which you can access with your car, whereas there is also a second lovely entrance, which is a pedestrian entrance, which leads you straight to Amelia. Questa è l'area del giardino pensata per ospitare la piscina, per la quale è già in essere un progetto approvato a completamento di un'opera già in sé perfetta. The second terrace, which is opposite to the first one we've seen earlier. It is terracotta paved, and there is this beautiful outdoor living area, which really makes this location perfect for an aperitivo with your friends in front of this gorgeous view. The moment you step inside, you straight away feel immersed in this cozy and warm atmosphere, made up by these several traditional Italian details, like this impressive woodwork with the beams on the ceiling, the warm fireplace over there, and on the floor, this beautiful terracotta. The villa is 220 square meters in total, laid on 2 floors with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This is the first floor and is where we find all of the living spaces. It is really bright thanks to the fact that it is an open space, so there are barely any walls stopping the light shining through. And there are also several windows. On this floor, we also find this living area with its fireplace. Right beside it, there is a very useful washroom. Whereas on this side, we get to the dining area, which is right beside this kitchen with this gorgeous marble top. Passando attraverso queste scale arriviamo al piano terra della villa. Qua è dove troviamo tutte le camere da letto, ognuna con il suo bagno. Ma prima di mostrarvele vorrei farvi notare questo piccolo salottino con il suo caminetto. This is the first out of 4 bedrooms. I find it lovely because it has some very interesting proportions and some very well balanced colors. Over there is its ensuite bathroom. Whereas over here there is this stone fireplace. On my right, you notice these two big windows that let you access to the garden. Now that I've showed you the first bedroom, let me show you the rest. There are two on my right and the last one on my left. We've now got to the end of today's property tour. This villa has really been built with love, and it now needs someone special to take care of it. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I will see you next time. Ciao.